So if you want to sign out on Facebook Messenger, here is a quick solution for that. So nowadays Facebook has updated its Messenger and now you cannot directly log out with your Facebook Messenger application. But you can simply do is to go to the settings and simply go with the apps, and then you need to search for your Facebook Messenger. There you go. Simply tap on that, and now once you have done to here, you can simply go with the storage and simply tap on clear cache, and then again tap on clear data and tap on OK. So if we now go back and open up the Messenger, you can see there is no. All right. So as you can see, we have successfully logged out, but it will ask again to log in because I have only one account signed into this mobile phone. So that's how you can simply log out of Facebook Messenger on your Android device. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.